These are conventional prosthetic arms. Not only are they considerable challenges to use, but they're also heavy, generic, and require more than a little decoration to match their owner. As if that were not enough, arms like these can cost between $30,000 and $100,000 and can take months to make. A growing child like Momo would need 4 of them over her lifetime.
I was 14 and I was just fascinated with robotics. I had taken a robotic arm I built in my bedroom to the science fair, and I met this little girl who wore a traditional prosthetic. And I realized that my $200 homemade arm was better than her $80,000 prosthetic. That's when I knew I had something that could really make a difference. What if she had a device that actually matched her body? The right size, weight, and color. Fingers that work, that provide haptic feedback so there's a real sense of touch. Skin that's tough and durable, but with a texture that's natural. What if she could actually paint her nails? What if she had a prosthetic designed just for her, inspired not by mass manufacturing techniques, but by the individual? And what if 20 people could get one for the same cost as a traditional prosthetic? I've been refining the design now for 7 years. I'm able to make an exact fit because I send the amputee a 3D scanner. Once we have a scan of both of their arms, I'm able to model it in software to make a perfect mirrored copy down to the skin color and dimensions. Hundreds of hours of materials research and testing, 3D printing the parts and surfaces. I implement AI in the design to improve the engineering and automate the process. Neural networks in the arm are constantly learning, and that helps develop a human-like capacity for movement. I've had a tremendous amount of support and help over the last couple of years. From friends offering their 3D printers before I could afford my own, from engineers at Microsoft, and people contributing their own time. But up to this point, it's been limited to what I can do on my own time and in my garage. I think it's time for that to change. There's always room for improvement, and I will continue to refine the engineering and software, but I'm ready to take it to the next level. Helping one little girl is amazing, but the potential here is so much more. This is bigger than just me. By adding a few key staff members and equipment to scale physical production and commercializing our scalable creation model, we can test with more amputees and change the lives of many more just like Momo. Amputees tell me that it can take twice as long to do just the ordinary stuff. Opening cans, tying your shoes. If I can give that time back to a kid to do more of what they love, even if it's just an hour a day, that adds up to 1,000 extra days across a lifetime. That's 2 billion extra days across the world, and all for about 5% of the price. For that, those thousands of hours in the workshop will be way more than worth it. Investing in a limited tomorrow is so much more than investing in the next generation of robotics, or materials technology, or AI, or even human-machine interfaces. It's an investment in millions of people just like Momo, who seize the day, every day, with both hands.
The future of prosthetics is within all our reach. Invest today in Easton, in a limited tomorrow, in Momo, and in prosthetics as tenacious as the people who wear them.